Today's video is exclusively for my wig newbies. If you're a beginner and you've never wore a wig before or you're afraid to try wigs, then you definitely want to stay tuned for this beginner-friendly wig install.
Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me?
Today's wig is from My First Wigs, and I want to thank them for sponsoring today's wig install for y'all. My First Wigs is known for having wigs that are beginner friendly, so it comes with every single thing that you need. This particular wig style, it comes customized. You really don't have to do much to this wig. I did a little bit extra, but you don't even have to do all that to have a bomb looking wig install. This is one of their pre-everything lace frontal wigs. It can be worn completely glueless like I'm wearing it today. I absolutely love the texture of this wig. It is a Yaki straight texture, but it has a nice natural texture to it. It feels full, but it's still light at the same time, if that makes any sense. And the hair is very soft. I wanted this wig to give easy breezy, just walked out the door, and that's exactly what it's giving, y'all. So if you would like to see how I installed and styled her today, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. So let's go ahead and unbox this wig from My First Wig. So the wig does come in this pink satin bag right here. And the wig also comes with freebies, y'all. So let's see what's in here. It comes with 2 wig clips. You can use this to get the lace out of the way. And then it also comes with this rat tail comb, which is always super bomb. So let's go ahead and unbox this wig. So here is the wig. It does come inside of wig netting. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. So this is one of their pre-everything wigs, y'all. And this is a Yaki texture. Look at that. So here is the hairline, y'all. This is a 4-in-1 pre-everything wig. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline. It's pre-bleached, so the knots have been bleached. It has a pre-cut lace, as you can see, and it comes pre-styled. And this is a Yaki straight texture. It is 20 inches long. So let's take a look at the inside of the cap. It has a 13 by 6 inch HD lace frontal. So it has 6 inches of parting space here in the middle and 13 inches all the way across ear to ear. It comes with 2 wig combs on the side front of the wig, and it has 1 wig comb in the back of the wig. It also has this adjustable elastic band that you can strap together to give it a more tight fit, and you can absolutely wear this hair completely glueless, y'all. It also has a bit of lace in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and add my foundation underneath the lace to tint it, and we'll be right back to install the wig. So let's go ahead and install this wig, y'all. I added my foundation underneath the lace. There is extra lace by the ear tabs, and I can also see the lace like in front of the hairline a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and remove this extra lace around my ear first, so this sits nice and snug on my head. So let's go ahead and remove it right here. So next I'm going to take this extra lace at the front and just cut around the entire hairline so that it blends and sits flat. You could definitely do a middle parting with this wig like it's already parted, or you could definitely part it on the side as well. As you can see, the parting looks great wherever you part it on the wig. So I'm gonna keep the middle parting today. So I'm gonna take my ebon wax stick and just go all the way around the parting area. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of my spritz and go around the parting as well. Next, I'm gonna take my Infinity Pro hot comb, and we're going to get this bad boy laid on the top. We want it to look like it is growing out of our scalp up top. Next, I'm going to take my concealer. This is the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NW43, and I'm going to put this in the parting area just to make it look a little bit more natural. Definitely do not have to do this step. I just really like doing it. So the hair did come with these nice loose waves, but I just want to go ahead and add some more waves to it. This is definitely optional, y'all. I'm gonna take bigger parts of the hair because I don't want it to be like super defined curls. I just want to give it like a little bit of volume. So I'm gonna take this Hot Tools curling iron. I believe this is 1.5 or 1 1/4 inch. And I'm gonna start at the top and just work my way down. And I'm curling away from my face, y'all. And then pull it off. And I'm gonna hold it until it cools. I'm gonna spray it a bit with my Sebastian Shaper Plus hairspray. As you can see, this hair does hold a curl really nice. We're gonna do the same thing on the whole head. So I'm gonna fast forward through the rest and I'll be back. So I went ahead and I curled both sides, y'all. This is a quick curl. We just want to add like some body to the hair. And then I'm gonna do the same on this side as well. And then what I'm gonna do is take this hair right here and I'm gonna back comb it. Then I'm also gonna take my Kenra volume spray, spray it under there, and we've got just a little bit of volume up top. I'm gonna do the same on this side. This wig is super secure. It's not going anywhere. It is stuck to my head, but it is still completely glueless, as you can see. So you can definitely rock this wig completely glueless and not be afraid that it's going to fall off of your head. This wig install turned out super cute, right? If you're a newbie with wigs and you weren't really sure how to install a wig or how to style one, I hope that this video helped you out. If you're interested in checking out this wig from my first wigs, I will leave a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. Thank y'all so much for your continued love and support. I truly do appreciate it. If you have not already checked out my latest Get Ready With Me video, what are you doing? I've been posting mad content for you guys, not just on YouTube, but on Instagram and TikTok too. So if you're not following me on there, make sure you click the links in the description box down below. And if you have not already checked out my latest Get Ready With Me video, go ahead, click the box right here and keep the party going, okay? Don't stop now.